When you are running out of yarn, there are a bunch of different ways that you can use in order to join a new ball. I am going to show you my favorite. I think it's the best, and it also happens to be the easiest. So if you can, the best way to join a new yarn is at the beginning of a row, but that's not always possible, especially if you're trying to be economical with your yarn usage. You might find yourself in the middle changing yarn. Sometimes you have to change colors because of a pattern. So leave yourself, this might be a little too much, but leave yourself about 6 inches of tail that you can weave in when you're done. And I will have a link posted for you in the description if you don't know how to weave in your ends. So grab the new ball of yarn and again, leave about 6 inches to weave in. Now insert your needle as if to knit and loop the new yarn around the needle like that. And see here, you can see it coming off the needle. I have the tail, and then here is the one connected to the ball, and that's the one that you want to loop around so that it's closest to you. So use that one. You can hold the tail just for a little tension and pull it through just like a normal knit stitch. And then just continue on knitting. Now that spot is going to be a little bit loose. So when you come close to it on the next row, just be a little bit ginger with it so you're not pulling everything loose. So I'm reaching that spot right now and you see how loose that stitch is. So once you've secured your yarn a little bit, you can go back and tug and make sure it's a little bit tight. Okay, now I'll just show you something. So you see that there's a hole there. And you can just make a little knot, not too tight, and then flip it over, see if that looks okay. Maybe a little tighter. Make sure there isn't a hole on the other side. And then you can knot it again. And then you just go through and weave in the ends. But if you don't want knots in your knitting, let me show you a different way. So get to the place where you want to change your yarn, insert your needle, and then take the new ball of yarn, the new end, and you want to lay it. You see how these ends are laying opposite each other? So this one is over here, this one's over here. And you want to kind of lay them together, leaving some tail on this left side. But lay them together like this. You might want to anchor it with this finger. Wrap them both around the stitch. And then knit a couple stitches with both of them. And this is nice and secure. And it doesn't create a hole like the other one. However, I don't like this one because as you can see, it has now doubled your strands of knitting right here, because usually you would just do 3 and now you could move on and just knit with the new ball, the single strand. But then, like I said, it has that double strand right here. And if you're using chunky yarn, it's not going to look very good. It's going to be noticeable. If you're using thinner yarn, I would say you can go ahead and use this technique. But there you go. There are 2 techniques for you to choose from, and there are quite a few more out there too.